Okay, so we already covered the homepage part in our e-commerce and also the cart functionality and everything. So now it comes to the order part. So before we go to the order part, the only registered users will be able to order something from our e-commerce. So before we go to that, we have to handle the user authentication. So in the first crash course, I think I already covered the user authentication part, but that one wasn't from scratch, or that wasn't. I didn't show you everything the coding part. I just explained how everything is working. But now that authentication is one of the most important parts in any kind of web application, especially e-commerce. So I'm going to show you the user authentication again, but this time I'm going to show you step by part by part and step by step where to start, why authentication is important, and how to handle authenticated data and everything. So let's get started. All right. So I think you already know the about the project and how it is going to work. So the user stories we are going to cover today is by our sign in, sign up. Also, we are going to implement the reset password, uh, verify email, and everything. And of course, the project is takes up for you. I think by now you know everything about the project. So we already covered the product section, how to handle categories, and how to handle add to cart functionality. So before we go to the order part, we have to do the user authentication. All right, so we are using Next.js, React, we are using Redux. I already showed you how you can set up Redux and Redux-persist in your web application. And then I'm going to use the end design today, so to make the form and validations and everything. And for HTTP client, we are going to use Axios. Okay, and for styling, we are using SASS, and loading spinners and notifications. We have some other libraries for those too. So buyer sign-in is going to be simple. The user going to have the, input their credentials, their email and password, and they will be able to sign in. And if there is any error, we'll just handle the error, showing the user a meaningful message or pop-up or something. And buyer sign-up will be whenever the user comes here first, they will have to enter their email, password, and some basic information like their name, and then they can sign up. And after that, we have another validation, like the after sign up, we have to validate the email, and then everything is done. The user will be able to sign in. And we are also going to cover if the user forgets the password, how the user can reset password. We are also going to cover that. Okay.